Let's wrap a shamrock. I start my wire wraps by sketching a design and then wrapping a smaller prototype before making the actual sized wrap. The finished wrap will be approximately 5 inches by 5 inches from front to back, and then approximately 4 to 5 inches tall. This holder is suitable for a 4 by 6 inch card or photo. Measure and cut a 50-inch piece of 12 gauge wire. And always trim your sharp ends. Using a glass or paper cup or anything smooth with a circumference of 2 inches to 2.5 inches. Always wrap the wire away from you. With this, we're going to wrap it 5 times, ending on the opposite side of the beginning of the wire. Take the first 2 bands on the side with the long tail and bend in half. Then take the last loop and bend it back flat. You will have about 2 inches of wire on the loop for tying off. Bend the long tail in half, then tie off 2 loops with the long tail of wire. You will use about 1.5 inches of wire for your wrap. Wrap with your fingers and then use the pliers to tighten. Trim off excess with a flush cutter. Pinch down the tail and pull straight, leaving a small loop at the end. Grasp the center loop with pliers and twist inward. Repeat this on the opposite side of the loop. This is your stem. Now secure the small tail of the wire to 1 loose loop and 1 tied off loop. This will keep all 4 loops in place. Snip off any extra wire, tuck end with pliers. Now wrap the stem around your 2 to 2.5 inch cylinder. Twist the stem so it's resting on its side. Pull the center of each loop slightly to form the shape of balloons. Pinch each petal at the base closest to the center. Next, place your middle and index finger inside a loop and press your thumb in the center to form the shamrock's petal. Continue until all 4 petals are complete. Stand your shamrock up and then adjust your top holding wires so that they're almost vertical. The card holder's petals will be bent back so your card or photo will not curl. The petal feet should lay at a 45-degree angle. And that's how you make your shamrock. Enjoy your St. Patty's Day, and if you're not already subscribed, please do and keep on wrapping. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.